guys, Tree documentary number 18. And today we're going to Cuenca, one of the biggest cities in Ecuador. And we're just gonna be traveling around, seeing some buildings and stuff, visiting some family. Let's go.
Got so many mosquito bites.
We got free internet. We're finally here in Cuenca with the fam. And now we're just gonna go get dropped off at my mom's friend's house. And after that, we'll probably go out and visit places. We are here on the streets, Cuenca, downtown.
Downtown of Cuenca, looking like a Italy.
Alright, now we're visiting other places like cathedrals and stuff. Nice architecture. In this video, I'll talk about why Cuenca is one of the most visited travel cities in the world. Where are we at, J. Coop?
Hey. We're in Cuenca right now, bro.
Yeah.
This place is late, just like Italy.
What does it have? What does it have? Tell me.
Have some historic buildings.
Like what?
Like,
I'm playing.
it's nice.
One of the other reasons why Cuenca is a favorite is because the market's here. You can bargain for clothes and get them for cheaper than, you know, what they ask for. Like this kid.
One of the reasons why Cuenca is most visited because I'm here. Everybody will see me. Shit like that. Well, right now we're heading to some artificial stuff.
Oh, this is what everyone's famous for, markets. We're getting close to the end of the vlog. Our last place is the cafe bar.